Most Amazon reviews are filtered. This is the real breakdown of whether this product is actually worth it. Today, we're dissecting the ACDelco Gold 94 RAGM battery, a product often seen as just another car part, but one that could be the silent workhorse for your vehicle. Many drivers overlook the critical role an advanced battery plays in modern cars, especially those packed with electronics or stop-start features. This isn't just a battery, it's a foundational component for reliable vehicle performance, and understanding its capabilities can genuinely save you from frustrating breakdowns and unexpected costs. Prepare to learn why this particular battery stands out in a crowded market and whether it deserves a spot under your hood. So, what exactly is the ACDelco Gold 94 RAGM? At its core, it's a premium absorbent glass mat, or AGM, car battery. ACDelco, a name synonymous with automotive reliability for over a century, has engineered this battery to not just meet but often exceed the stringent demands of today's increasingly complex vehicles. This isn't your grandfather's car battery. It's designed to handle the intricate electrical loads of modern cars, where multiple computers, sensors, and power-hungry accessories are constantly drawing juice. It solves the common problem of premature battery failure and inconsistent power delivery that often plagues traditional batteries, especially in extreme conditions or stop-start driving scenarios. It's a high-performance solution built for dependability, specifically tailored to vehicles that require a more robust and efficient power source, providing optimal performance in a variety of challenging situations where standard batteries simply fall short. Superior AGM technology for modern cars. The primary strength of the ACDelco Gold 94 RAGM is its advanced absorbent glass mat, or AGM, technology. Unlike traditional flooded batteries, AGM designs absorb the electrolyte in glass mats, making them spill-proof and incredibly resistant to vibration. For you, this means exceptional durability and resilience, whether you're navigating city potholes or off-road trails. Crucially, AGM batteries excel at deep cycling, handling frequent discharge and recharge cycles, which is essential for modern vehicles equipped with automatic start-stop systems, extensive electronics, and sophisticated infotainment. This technology ensures a stable, consistent power supply, preventing premature battery failure and keeping your car's complex systems running flawlessly. Long-term reliability with a 36-month warranty. Peace of mind is priceless, and this battery delivers with a robust 36-month free replacement warranty. The link in the description is an affiliate link. Use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.